play this game because it's fun. I am just hanging around over here. I around. While I was hanging around here, I found some secrets here. Now let's go to that secret. So as you can see, if you go down here, down, you see this man who sells some books. Yeah, he sells some books. But we have no money. We don't have time for that book thing. And over here, there's like a mini dock here. But have you guys noticed, if you go over here and if you go under the hotel elephant, what is hidden there? So I've noticed it, and I was lost here, and I found this little mini shelter where you can sell things and stuff or trade them in or nothing, just a mini house here. I found that. And for this, another secret. It's not that secretive, but it's not that important, but it's a secret as well. So yeah, let's go over here. And if you go under here and if you go over here, you can just like directly jump from there to here. You can see this old man. And here we are. You can just change your face if you wanted to. Now let's choose a nice one about this. Or about this. Yeah. Now, yeah, I changed my face. That's a secret in here. And well, my friend told me about this secret over here. Like in the top of the mountain. There's like a secret entrance, and my friend told me about it. I'm just going to reset this. Yeah. Eventually, need to go up there and yeah. Actually, and I didn't lose my face. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. Now, up here. Where's this? You and Jordan slept together. What? What? Okay, fine. What are we talking about? And about here, I was talking about in here, you just go jumping down there and you see that. Oops, now I did it. You just see that landlord over here. You can go change your face if you want to. I mean, others didn't know about this and others knew about this. Yeah, I think it's a secret. And now let's do this again. Whee! Now let's get back to that main secret here in Hotel Elephant. Yeah, I'm so weird when finding upstairs. So weird. Yeah, by the way, I have no Robux, guys. To my video and Robux subscribe for more. Yeah, go in there. And this is the man who sells some really literature. Yeah, I believe he just you can go. Oh, whatever. Go use the stairs. Thank you. Now down here, I'm talking about over here. You can play. Yeah, let's get up to the up. Oops, I didn't mean to sit. Yeah. I recommend you guys do this in first person, not linear and stuff like that. But for you guys, I'll do it in third person. Yeah. And now, we, as you all know, I am here at the top level. I climbed the stairs because for us to go at the top level. And as you can see, we're in the top level. You can see everything. That's where the secret is. Yeah, let's go. Let's go down here. Oh. There's like a computer here. I didn't know if there's any other videos here if someone famous posted it, but my friend told me about it. I gotta check it out. I believe there's a door here that opens to the other side, and it's not open, so it's like a secret. secret room inside this building over here. It's a secret room, but I guess it's closed. I don't know how to open it, but it's a secret. Yeah, it's a secret. And you can go up the mountain here if you want. Yeah. Oh, what is this? A teddy bear. I didn't know about this. Slash yeah, that. Yeah, yeah. And as you can see that over the secret, we have the important of them. Now, let's go back down there and for the last secret, guys, that I know.